Hi, I'm Lito Villanueva. I'm the Executive Vice President and Chief Innovation and Inclusion Officer for RCBC. Yes, I spoke about the resilience and diligence of the Filipino spirit, no? And that is being represented by what we have known as the sari-sari stores, no? What we call what is known as the mom and pop stores. And over the period of pandemic, we have seen how Filipinos were able to, be able to rise above all those challenges in spite of those circumstances, right, and the hardships, brought about by the pandemic. So using technology and using digital has really given them so much respite from these difficulties, and we've seen quite a number of enterprising Filipinos, what we know as mompreneurs, that were able to build their own micro businesses in the confines of their homes, while we have those hard lockdowns implemented by the government. Yes, I mean the WFIS is a good platform where we would now be able to see and hear and experience some of those implementations by other players in the industry. Because remember, at the end of the day, it's not about competition, it's about collaboration, it's about co-opetition. The ultimate winner in all of these things that we are doing right now, all the players in the industry, would be for the benefit of our customers, right? So especially for Filipinos, we want the best for them. We want to deliver customer delight, the awesome experience that they truly deserve. And this forum will definitely bring about those sharing of ideas and having to exchange those best practice models coming from various players in the industry. Yes, I commend the organizers of WFIS because in terms of putting together, say for example, vendors of various platforms, and I would say that it's a variety of platforms that players in the industry would be able to take advantage of, right? So there are offers like the NPL, like cybersecurity, like EKYC AI, core banking, etc. So there's a variety of platforms that are present during this event, which definitely would redound to the benefit of participants, especially players who are still looking for digital solutions to beef up their digital transformation journeys, right? So this is something. This is really a welcome move and a welcome news for all players in the industry. Yes, I've seen some of those. I've heard some of those presentations before, and I think it was also a good venue for us to hear some of those various experiences from experts as well from various fields, right? So I think but definitely there's rooms for improvement, and there would also be other ways on how you can still excite the audience more. But definitely this is again, in all activities that we do, it's still work in progress, right? So, and you will definitely have that sense of fulfillment in terms of good response, and I think there's a good turnout of attendees in this forum. And I think of course with the support of your sponsors, your donors, and presenters, etc., and of course the lineup of speakers, plus of course the active participation of the audience, would be the key factors for you to be able to measure whether it's a success or not, right? But I think this one is a huge success for the organizers. It's really about, number one rule is be open about it, right? So about learning, unlearning, and relearning, right? So some people might think that they already know everything about fintech, about technology, about digital, etc. Because my mindset is that the more you know, the more you do not know, right? So and the mindset or that culture, that habit must be formed by way of you embracing everything that you could actually take in as positive ingredients for you to be able to develop something better. Because again, innovation is something that you are recreating an existing one that is meant for you to make it better for the customers to to take in or to embrace, right? So, and it's something that is sometimes, of course, for most Asians, I mean, it's really sometimes culture bound or culture centric as well, right? So you really have to be able to understand your customer, right? I mean, it's beyond customer centricity. It's about human centricity. It's about innovations with empathy, right? You should be able to feel the pulse of your customer. You should always put yourself into the shoes of your customer. You should be able to know their pain points, the friction that they are experiencing, and really how you could come up with ways on how to better improve their their experience, no? with anything that you present to them. So may it be a particular product, may it be a particular service, something that would delight them, something that they would embrace, something that that they would love, and at the end of the day, they will become your brand ambassadors because they will be the one marketing your products and services to their relatives and friends, right? So they become your brand ambassadors along the way. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Yes, thank you.